Brody, it's me again, your boy, Wayne Style. Going to a no-heat call. I was there like a month ago. I did the tune-up. Now I'm going back. That's not good. So, let's see. Stay tuned. Coming up. This one over here. Okay, I serviced this unit a couple of months ago. All right, the low water color was good. If it was low water, this light would be red. Or yellow, something like that. So I was here, last month. This guy like to shop around, huh? What's the arrow? Well, it shows the arrow because there's no burner running. Control look good over here. I don't see any. All right, so the boiler been off. Cold. See that red one? That's the temperature. And the bottom one is the pressure. And the top one, the red one, is the degree, how hot is it. So now we got a red, so we got a red light on here. Right. It's a 2-pipe system. Meaning that the oil come through here, go through the pump, and then go back out to the tank. Okay. So before we go crazy with this, let's go check outside the tank. Make sure that he got oil. They forgot to. Nice little tank, eh? All right, so let's see over here. He's got a full tank, according to that. You see that? According to that, he's got a full tank of oil there. Biomatic there. Let's see what's going on over here then. All right, so. My next step will be check the igniter. If igniter spark. No motor. Weird. Where's the motor? Went to blackout. It's got like a dead motor over here now. It's control and check the power to the motor. See if it's getting powered or not. I'm gonna put this in. This is not enough room over here. I gotta keep going, man. I got a call to go. Yeah, I checked the power going to the motor. The power was going to the motor. And the motor was not running. So I took the motor out, right? Took the motor out, then I turned the power and the motor just started spinning. And I checked the pump over here, this pump over here. It's jammed. This pump is not moving, man. Freeze up. So See what happens. So I'm waiting for the customer. See what he's gonna do. He's coming now with the price I give him. Brody, what's happening, my friend? That guy, he declined the repair. He needed a fuel pump, and he says some other company put it in for him not too long ago, and he was on the phone debate. He said, listen, I don't have no time for this. You figure out what you're gonna do. Give me a call back, you know. I'll give you the price. Listen, I told the customer, I got the pump in my truck. You want me to do it right now? This is what it is. It's gonna cost you that much. He said, why I pay that if I should be on the warranty? I said, okay, you figure out whoever did the job. So call me back. Guess what? Now it's gonna be double now. If he called me back, it's gonna be double. So he said it's a hotel. Yeah, it's Keystone Inn. I guess they want to start using the kitchen. They want to start using the kitchen, some kind of kitchen over there, and they want me to go there, do a safety check, make sure that everything's fine before they start lighting stuff up or light the building on fire. So I gotta go over there, take a look, see if it's okay for running. They need okay. So I'm going over there now. You know, maybe I'll pick up this new account over here. So we'll see what happens. You know, yeah, everybody's busy, nobody up. You know, they say I cannot get nobody over here. You're the one come over here. I say, okay, it's kind of out of my area, but if I could pick up this account, hey, good. Get to sign the contract, bam. That's it. That's where they go. All right, Roddy, stay tuned. Coming up.